gonna have to guess the animal. Write it down in the description below. Okay? Write it in the comments. What animal
give us a
is
thumbs up.
this? Please give us a like and subscribe
To our channel.
and please hit the notification button and the bell. Okay. What animal am I? I wiggle. I don't have any legs.
A worm.
If you guessed eel, you're correct. Number 2. Who am I? I'm big. I'm furry. I live in a cave. If you guessed bear, you're correct.
I have 0 legs. I swiggle like something.
Okay, now say that.
If you guessed a worm, it was correct.
Alright, number 4. I am poisonous. I am an amphibian. I have a life cycle. If you guess I lay eggs. If you guessed poisonous dart frog, you are correct.
I have horns, and I am big. If you guessed there was a rhino, you were correct.
I change color. I have horns. I have a swirly tail. I have a long tongue. My tongue is longer than my body. If you guessed chameleon, you're correct. Yes, go.
I am big. I have tails. Can I go again?
Yeah, go.
Okay.
Sorry, Ahmed didn't meant to say that. Just say it again, Ahmed.
Okay. I am small. I slither. If you guessed it was snake, I was correct. You were correct.
I eat alligators. I am big. I am a type of snake. If you guessed anaconda, you are correct.
I am big. I have some teeth. If you guessed it was a hippo, you were correct.
I dig. I live underground. If you guessed mole, you are correct.
I have fur. I am small. If you guessed it was a rabbit, you are correct.
I fly. I suck nectar. If you guessed hummingbird, you are correct.
I fly. I eat nectar. If you guessed it was a bee, you are correct.
I am a type of fish. I walk. I have a lure like an anglerfish. If you guessed frogfish, if you guessed a animal that does, if you guessed walking fish, you're wrong. It's a frogfish.
Wait.
Okay, Ahmed's thinking.
Can you wait for 5 minutes?
No, wait, I have one.
Wait. I fly and I have eyes. If you guessed it was an eagle, you are correct.
I am a fish. I can electrocute. I have a tail. If you guessed stingray, you are correct.
I have a fin. I have a hole. If you guessed a dolphin, you were correct.
I am a fish. I swim. I am big. I have a blowhole. If you guessed a whale, you are correct.
I am big. I have. Wait.
Okay, goodbye. It's been 5 minutes, so goodbye.